Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up a gamified assessment on the QuoDeck platform. QuoDeck is a learning platform that uses games to make learning quick, fun, and effortless for your audience. QuoDeck uses its inbuilt authoring features and game libraries to make your content more appealing to users. And you can make this happen simply by using the games that QuoDeck provides within their platform. Now, before we get started with the how, let's first understand the why and the what. Why should you use games to train your people? And what games should you be using in the QuoDeck platform? Let's start with the why. People love playing games, whether you like it or not. The planet plays about 4 billion hours of games in a week. So, if that is their natural behavior, what you need to do is figure out how you can add learning into that time. And QuoDeck is an expert in turning your vanilla content into fun and interesting. Now, let's tackle the what. What sort of games should you be putting out for your audience? Well, QuoDeck's game library has lots of hyper-casual games, so you can pick the one that you think will appeal to your audience. Hyper-casual games work on the principle of micro-learning, so as your user is playing the game, they get asked questions to either extend time or earn more points. The QuoDeck platform has a wide variety of games that are at your disposal that you can choose from bursting balloons to a reality show style Wheel of Fortune. There are Pac-Man-like maze games and even cricket games. Select the game based on what you think your audience will like. Or, if you are adding the game as part of the Story Wrapper course, then select the game based on the Story Wrapper you have selected. For example, if your course is set in the Egypt wrapper, then you might want to select Bug Splat, a game with Scrapper Beetles. To get started with this, select the course you want to edit in the Library tab. Once you have found the course, click on the Select to Edit button on the central console. Once you have selected this, you should land on the Editor tab, which looks like this. This is where you add all the content you want to have in your platform. We have other videos that talk about other functions that you can use here. But for now, we are only going to focus on how to create games. Click on the Game button from the selection here, and you should see a window like this pop up. To create the gamified quiz, you need to upload your questions in an Excel format. You can download a sample format here by clicking on the button that says Download Sample File. The sample file has fields for you to enter the questions, the answer options, and the feedback. You can use multiple types of questions in QuoDeck, from a single answer MCQ to a multiple answer MCQ, and fill in the blanks. Once you have created the file, upload it here by clicking on the Choose File button. Then you select the game from the list available. You can scroll to the right and left to see the different games available in the platform. You can try and create some of these games so you get an idea of what they are. Once you're done selecting the game, just click on Save and you're done. It's that simple. You can see a preview of the game by clicking on the eye icon beside the game that has been created. And that's how you create games in QuoDeck. Remember, QuoDeck has no limits on the number of games you want to engage your audience with, so go nuts with this if you want. Here are a few links to other videos that you can see on QuoDeck. Happy exploring!